Jennifer Lopez and Ben Affleck have reunited in Los Angeles after spending a short stint apart while Jennifer Lopez shot a music video in Miami. The 51-year-old superstar was seen on Friday as she left the prestigious members only at St. Vincent Bungalows after having lunch with a friend. Meanwhile, the Argo actor 48 was spotted driving his motorcycle on the If You Had My Love singer's house on the same day. Together again, Jennifer Lopez and Ben Affleck have reunited in Los Angeles after spending a short stint apart while Jennifer Lopez shot a music video in Miami. Jennifer dressed casually for the outing, wearing baggy brown high-waisted cargo pants that were cinched with a tie belt. Her bright green, yellow and orange striped collared low V-crop top revealed a glimpse of Lopez's cleavage and showed off a toned midriff. She sported matching New Balance sneakers in yellow and mint green and carried a small neon yellow and beige handbag. Conveyed on the same day, Ben was en route to meet his girlfriend at her house. Jennifer Lopez runs errands amid recent Ben Affleck rekindling. The New York-born beauty's caramel locks were twisted up in a tight knot on top of her head. She accessorized with huge gold hoop earrings and several diamond bracelets. The wedding planner actress shielded her eyes with a pair of oversized rimless orange statement sunglasses as she waited for the valet to bring her car. On the same day, Ben was en route to meet his girlfriend at her house. The Gone Girl star was seen clad in a black leather jacket, blue jeans, and black leather motorcycle boots with a black helmet as he drove his bike to Jennifer's pad. The wedding planner actress shielded her eyes with a pair of oversized rimless orange statement sunglasses. Lopez recently came back from Miami, where she was filming a music video for her new Spanish single with Puerto Rican reggaeton star Rauw Alejandro. According to TMZ, Jennifer and the crew spent several hours shooting at the Good Time Hotel on Miami's beach-famed Espanola Way. Jennifer Lopez also posed for photos with police officers from the Miami Beach Police Department who were on hand to provide security for the shoot. Lopez recently came back from Miami where she was filming a music video for her new Spanish single with Puerto Rican reggaeton star Rauw Alejandro. Jennifer Lopez go for a workout in Miami. While she was away, Ben had been sweetly keeping her mother company as a photo obtained by Page Six showed. Ben had been sweetly keeping her mother company as a photo obtained by Page Six showed Ben and Godal 75 hanging out together near slots machine at Wynn, Las Vegas. In between breaks in filming, Godal chatted with members of the film crew and security staffs. The outlet Ben had been seen playing the tables at the casino at 3 a.m. Godal loves Ben and is happy that he is back in Jennifer's life. Lopez recently rekindled her romance with former fiancé Ben Affleck. Lopez and Affleck pictured in 2002. They enjoy gambling together and have done it in the past, the insider added. Ben had the opportunity to work in Vegas this week and she came out. Jennifer and Ben were first spotted together in late April, with the pair famously venturing to Montana to spend some quality time. They have since endured a bi-coastal relationship with dates in Miami and Los Angeles. Jennifer Lopez is incredibly happy in her rekindled relationship and is considering moving to Los Angeles so they can spend as much time together as possible. Ben Affleck and Jennifer Lopez starred in 2003 rom-com Gigli. Soulmates, seemingly reiterating other reports, Jennifer and Ben are in love again after 17 years and they feel like they are soulmates. Ben and Jennifer picture in 2003. Yeah, that's it for now. Please let me know which celebrity you want me to talk next. We will catch up in the next awesome video. Thanks for watching the video. Please don't forget to share, like and subscribe the video.